This part of ratio. Find the number that must be added to the terms of the ratio 11 ratio 29 to make it equal to 11 ratio 20. Meaning, what number can you add to these two numbers that the ratio will now change to this? So if we don't know the number, so we can say let the number be y. So that is the number that you will add to each term, that is 11 plus y ratio 29 plus y, so that the ratio will reduce, the ratio will change to 11 ratio 20. So what is that number? So we have added y to it since we are not sure of the numbers. So now this is the same thing as 11 plus y divided by 29 plus y. Based on our ratio means divide, is equal to 11 divided by 20. So from here we can find y, so we cross multiply. So that will be 20 into bracket 11 plus y, then is equal to 11 into bracket 29 plus y. So now expand, open the bracket. So 2 times 11 is 220 plus 20 times 11 220, then 20 times y 20y is equals to 29 times 11, that is 319, plus 11 times y 11y. So now collect like terms. So this will becomes 20y minus 11y is equal to 319 minus 220. So 20 minus 11, that is 9y, equals 319 minus 220. So that is 99. So y is equals to 99 divided by 9. Y equals to 11. So that means the number that must be added to each term of this ratio to change it to this is 11. Let's confirm that. So let's confirm that. I have 11 ratio 29 before. So now 11 plus 11, since my number that I'm adding is 11, ratio 29 plus 11. 11 plus 11 is 22. 29 plus 11 is 40. So what can go in the 2? 2 in 22, 11. 2 in 40, 20. So it's reduced to 11 ratio 20. 11 ratio 20. Yeah. So what number must be added to this term of the ratio to change it to this? The number is 11, as you can see. But if this is jam now, so do I need to pass through this stage? So I actually don't need to pass through this stage. So let me give you a formula you can be using to solve questions like this. So now let's see. So let me make it formula. If find the number that must be added to each term of the ratio, let me say a ratio b, to change it to c ratio d. Just like in this our question now, you can say this is a, this is b, this is c, and this is d, so that you can easily grab. So what number must be added to this term to change it to this? It's like saying a plus s. So I'm adding, okay, let me say the y that we use now. So a plus y ratio b plus y to give us c ratio d. So now to find y here, if we find y, so we will discover that, so to save time, So just say AB ratio CD. So now the number that must be added, which is y, will be, please see the pattern. So it's the pattern we are going to use now. So A will go to D, B will go to C. See the pattern again. So A will go to D, that is AD. You now say minus, then B is going to C, that is BC, divided by, then this one minus this one, C minus D. So this will be a general formula. So if you don't cram the formula, just see the pattern. A ratio B will change to C ratio D. Just say the number here times the number here, that is it. The number here times the number here, this is it. Then over the number here minus the number there, that is C minus D. So now let us apply these techniques to solve this question now. Find the number that must be added to the terms of the ratio 11 ratio 29 to make it equals to 11 ratio 20. So now I'll just say let the number be y. So I'll now say this times this, 20 times 11, that is 220, minus this times this, 11 times 29, so that is 319, divided by, then 11 minus 20, that is minus 9. So do you see now? So again, 11 ratio 29 and 11 ratio 20. So if you see that what number must be added, you don't need to waste time. Say this number times this number, you get this, minus this one times this, you get this, then divided by this one minus this, that's all. So that means this is minus 99 over minus 9, and which is 11 as usual. So that is short method for this kind of question. So let's see what number must be subtracted.